In this episode, we're going to have a look at Kamal logs. So if we run the Kamal app logs, this is going to give us a list of our logs. We can also add the -f to follow the logs, but the problem is that when we go to deploy with a Kamal deploy, it's going to shut down the original container after a period of time and launch a new one. And when that happens, we're going to lose our logs. And maybe you don't need a system where you have an in-depth view of the logs, but you still need to retain them for audit purposes or whatever reason. And so what we're going to look at in this episode is how we can ship those logs that were on that server over to something like Discord or really anything that accepts some kind of webhook so that the logs can be downloaded. And then you can open them up, seeing that these are the logs for the web, and then we have the logs for the job server. And again, you don't have to ship these to Discord. You can really ship them wherever you want. But we are just going to be looking at Discord as our use case example here. But there will be some nuances with this because Discord does have a maximum file size. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but we are going to assume it's around 20 megabytes. It could be 10 or it could be 25. I'm not quite sure because it does seem to have changed in the past. But either way, we'll make this configurable. So as you test it out on your systems, you can fine tune it to best suit your needs. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.